back to Dinalicious 101. Today I'll be showing you how to make a quick and easy curry chicken recipe. Keep watching. The ingredients you'll need to make this recipe: I'm using 3 chicken breasts, 2.5 tablespoons of cilantro, some pepper, and that's half a tablespoon of pepper. That's 2 tablespoons of curry, half a tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of dried garlic, 1 tablespoon of ginger, and a pinch of sugar. We're going to be using 2 tablespoons of honey mustard and 1 can of coconut milk. I'm going to be adding 2 red bell peppers, 1 green bell pepper, 1 full onion, and tomato. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do is we're going to cut our chicken breast into cubes. Now that we cut all of our chicken breasts, we're going to get started on chopping up our veggies. Keep watching. Now we're going to start chopping all of our veggies. half a tomato. Not a professional vegetable chopper, as you can obviously see, but you don't have to be. You just have to cut them in small little cubes, tomatoes. So don't judge me. Now that we're done chopping all of our veggies, we're gonna get started on cooking. Keep watching. The first thing we wanna do is we're gonna stir fry our chicken. Put a little olive oil in there. And while this is cooking, we're going to be proactive, and I'm going to start on my rice. And most of the time, FYI, I cook on medium heat. So if your stove has like the numbers on it, I do usually number 5 or 6, depending. Like right now, I'm on number 6. So just in case you guys are wondering. But we're going to stir fry this for about, I want to say 10 to 15 minutes. Keep watching. Wondering why I recommend that you stir fry your chicken first is because once we put our sauce in there, our coconut milk and our curry and our ingredients, we don't want everything to get absorbed by cooking it. So it's a lot easier when we have this already mostly cooked or cooked, however you want, and then we add all the ingredients and then we just let the ingredients kind of like get into our chicken so that the flavor comes out. Now that our chicken is somewhat cooked, I'm going to start adding the ingredients. So you see it already changed color, so for the most part it's cooked. We're going to add our coconut milk, cilantro, ginger, garlic, our magic ingredient for this dish, curry, salt, pepper, a pinch of sugar. Move this around a little bit. I'm going to grab 2 regular tablespoons and put the honey mustard. for about another 20 minutes, and we'll follow up and see how our food's doing. Oh, and by the way, I wanted to give a shout out to my mom because she also gave me something for Christmas. She gave me a whole new set of pots, so I am set for the year, guys. So thanks, Mom. Keep watching. So it's been about 20 minutes since I put this in. And your sauce should be looking about this color, like yellowish. So we're gonna let this cook for about 10 more minutes, and then it should be ready to serve. So keep watching. And this is our final product. I'll show you guys a little close-up. It is an absolutely delicious and easy meal to make. I'm sure everybody's gonna love it. Don't forget, as always, to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for new videos each week. Thank you for watching. Bye!